This is some kind of delicious crab cake, jumbo shrimp, look
Cocktail.
good, and the big baby. Tell him, baby. Right, my big baby. So she won today. She wasn't feeling the best because today is, the reunion of her mom passing. So, hey, baby, you was just smiling and everything. I mean, go back to that bowl. You can't just go to that, but try to cheer up. She went. She stopped playing the slot, played the dice thing, won herself over $1,000.
It's nothing compared to what you did.
It ain't a competition, man.
I'm happy that I did.
And she got some jumbo shrimp and all that, y'all. All right, y'all. My surf and turf is here. Lobster tail, steak. She wanted that with the pepper. Oh, you can go ahead and watch the pepper go in there.
I like a lot of it.
Yeah, put the pepper on there. It's gonna be good. Crab, shrimp, steak, lobster, fiore.
I know it's kind of hard
I
to
see it.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that flashlight, I see it.
There you go.
Look at her.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, of course.